everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Today in this video, we are going to see how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for metals and mining industry. I own a metals and mining business, and to market my business, I use Facebook lead ads. And here my objective is that whenever a new lead is generated through Facebook lead ads, I want to add all the lead details into my Google Sheets. For that, I'm simply going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets in such a way so that whenever a new lead is generated through Facebook lead ads, it would be automatically added into my Google Sheets. Pabbly Connect works on two principles. First is trigger and second is action. Here my trigger application is Facebook lead ads and my action application is Google Sheets. To learn how to do this, let me take you to my screen. In this video, I am going to show you how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets automatically. So I have a metals and mining business, and to promote my business, I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page. And I have also created a lead gen form by using Facebook lead ads. And now I want that whenever a new lead is generated by submitting the form, automatically the details of that lead should be added into my Google Sheets. For that, I am going to use Pabbly Connect, which will help me to automate this entire process. Now to begin with the process, we are first going to search for Pabbly Connect. And as we do that, here we have reached the landing page of this software. On my right hand side, you can see two options over here, sign in and sign up free. If you are an existing user, then simply click on sign in. But if you are a new user, then please click on this tab sign up free. It won't take more than 2 minutes, and yes, you will also get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm simply going to click on sign in as I'm an existing user. Now here we have reached all Pabbly application page. Now let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. And here we have reached the dashboard of this application. Now if you want to create a new folder, then simply click on this icon, create a new folder. As I want to create a new folder for my new workflow, I'm simply going to click on this, and a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the folder. So I'm going to name my folder as Facebook leads to Google Sheets. Now let's click on create. And as you can see over here, we have successfully created a folder named as Facebook leads to Google Sheets. Now again on my right hand side, you can see a tab named as create workflow. Let's click on this. And a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the workflow. So I'm going to name my workflow as Facebook leads to Google Sheets for metals and mining business. And as you can see over here, I've selected the folder named as Facebook leads to Google Sheets which I have created just now. By clicking on this drop down, you will find all the folders which you have created earlier. Now let's click on create. So as I do that, here we have reached another window which has got us two extremely important events. First is trigger and second is action. Trigger is when this happens and action is do this. Basically, action here is the response of your trigger application. Now our trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. Let's click on this. Now we need to select our trigger event. This is the event which will make your workflow start. Let's click on this. And you will see two options over here, new lead instant and new lead. I'm simply going to select new lead instant as my objective is to add a new row instantly whenever a new lead is generated. And it says triggers when a new lead is submitted in specified lead gen form associated to your Facebook page. Let's select this. After that, click on connect. Now to connect our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm simply going to select add new connection, but if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. Now click on connect with Facebook lead ads and select your account. And we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly Connect account. Now we need to select our page. Please select a Facebook page. If you don't see your page listed, access your account settings to confirm that the connected account has the correct manage page permissions and then reconnect your account. Let's click on this, and I have named my Facebook page as Coal Field Mines. After selecting the Facebook page, we need to select a lead gen form. This is the form which I use to generate my leads. And it says select lead ads form here. Please ensure that your lead ads form is live, else you might not receive the lead data correctly. And I have named my lead gen form as metals and mining form. As you can see over here, there is an important note. Please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ads form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. which means after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, we need to generate a sample submission or a test submission. Now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. And now it says waiting for webhook response. And there is a note again. Now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now for that, we are going to search for Meta for Developers. After searching for Meta for Developers, click on this first link over here, or you can directly search for developers.facebook.com. Let's click on this. And this is the Meta for Developers page. Now click on More and then go to Tools. Then scroll it down and you will find Lead Ads R2 Debug Tool. Make sure your API or CRM integration is set up correctly and receiving data. Click on this. And this is Lead Ads Testing Tool. Use this tool to test your API or CRM integration. You can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. Now to do a test submission, we need to select our page and the form name here. Let's click on this. Now before clicking on this preview form, let's read this. You can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So in order to create a new one, we need to delete our existing leads. But as of now, I do not have any existing lead. So I'm simply going to click on preview form. And this is the lead gen form which I have created. Now to do a test submission, I'm going to enter all the dummy details over here. After filling all the details, click on Next and then Submit. And it says your test lead has been sent. To create a new lead, please delete this one. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account and check whether we have received a response or not. And as you can see over here, we have successfully received our response. Full name is dummy user, email address is dummy@pabblytudes.com and the phone number is this. Which means we have successfully set up our trigger application. Now our action application is going to be Google Sheets. Now we need to select an action event. Let's click on this. And here you will find various action events, but I'm simply going to select add new row as my objective is to add a new row in my Google Sheets. Now let's click on connect. Now to connect our Google Sheets account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm simply going to select add new connection, but if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. Then click on sign in with Google and select your account and allow all the authentications. Now we have successfully connected our Google Sheets account with our Pabbly Connect account. Now we need to select spreadsheet. You can choose or map your spreadsheet ID here. Let's click on this and I have named my spreadsheet as leads record. So as I have selected the spreadsheet and because I have a single sheet only, so it will be selected automatically. And as soon as the sheet will be selected, here whatever the columns I have created will be fetched and will be visible as field. As you can see, name, email and the phone number, and I have created the same column in my Google Sheets. Name, email and the phone number. Now we need to enter or we can map all these details. And whatever the details we are mapping will get replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. And also mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs. And the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in real time. So I'm simply going to map all these details. Click on this and go to Facebook lead ad and map the name, email and the phone number as well. Now let's click on save and send test request. And here we have received the response. Let's go back to our Google Sheets and check whether we have added a new row or not. And as you can see over here, we have successfully added a new row in our Google Sheets. Now let's go back to our lead ads testing tool and check this automation in real time. Now to create a new lead, we need to delete our existing lead. For that, I'm simply going to click on delete lead. And now it says your lead has been deleted. Now refresh this page once, which is a necessary step, and select your page and the form name again. After that, click on preview form and fill out the form. Then click on next and then submit. And here our lead has been sent. Now let's go back to our Google Sheets. And here we have added another new row, which means we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Google Sheets. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. We have successfully set up our trigger and action applications, and it was a successful workflow. So let's summarize this quickly. Here, our trigger application is Facebook lead ads and our trigger event is new lead instant. Here, our action application is Google Sheets and our action event is add new row. And if you also want to add all the lead details into your Google Sheets whenever a new lead is generated through Facebook lead ads, then simply follow this two-step workflow. Hope this video was a helpful one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can also integrate many other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, please reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any queries, please reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, please reach out to us at this website. If you find this video helpful in any way, please do not forget to share this video with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automations.